holding the gun, Brian, and you're going to do exactly as I say.
You, mind if I ask where we're going?
You'll know soon enough, Brian. The world
What are you
will know
doing,
soon
Edward?
enough. I'll be as big as I should have been when I was on American Idol. I don't mind not knowing what I'm
Look at
headed for. You can take me to the
Look at
skies. It's like being lost in heaven when I'm lost
She's
in
gonna get
your
your cheesecake.
eyes.
She's getting the
Stewie,
cheesecake.
what the hell was that?
Lost in Life by
cheesecake.
Debbie Gibson.
One of the words I've ever heard.
Okay.
What's your
Stewie,
face
you
she
shouldn't
makes?
actually even be alive, you snivelling little creep. I hate you so much, I want to shoot you in your face.
All right.
Honey, I like you, but you're just not right for this competition.
Yo, dog, I gotta tell you, for me, man, that was not even half good, dude. You can't sing. What are you doing, Stewie?
I don't even care. They don't know what they're talking about. Next time they hear about me, they're gonna be like, we was wrong about Stewie.